Hi everybody, this is Pierre back another day with another unboxing. Another pair of shoes from DeveloperBoring Studio and another pair of Air Jordan 1 Metallic. These are the shoes that I wanted the most. They are absolutely not the most good looking ones, but the most rare ones, and let me tell you more about them. So now to the unboxing. But actually, first of all, I'm going to continue where I left off. So I just assume that 95% of you non-subscribers are still watching my videos, so you should subscribe. I had some complaints about the pair that I unboxed 2 days ago. Yeah, because I got these yesterday. And I've had them waiting until I had answers to you about these. I had some complaints. First of all, missing the matching laces, but things can happen. They told me they will send them to me. They accidentally gave me 3 white laces instead of extra white and matching purple. The soles not fitting, that I sort of don't care about that actually. So let me show you what I mean. I force the sole as long in as I can, and when I want to put it in place, there is sort of half a centimeter too long. And since the soles wasn't in place, I looked at the bottom and saw the extra long laces. And I thought, hey, aren't they done with the shoes? But they told me that the extra long laces not being cut or not being tied up is to give us that 85 experience. And in 1985, when Air Jordan 1 was released, it wasn't a high quality shoe. They had better leather than today, like these, but the shoe itself, it wasn't a $200 high quality shoe. So that is on purpose. That is to give us that 85 experience. And I absolutely buy that, I do. And the insole being a little bit too long, I don't care because I don't use them. I have my own insoles. But the matching laces I really want. So yes, they're going to send them to me. So that is the end of my last video. Good looking shoe. And so today we have the orange metallic. And what got me so curious about these shoes, or that made me want them, even though I don't think they look so super good, is because my lexicon has been complex guide to colorways, where they list all the Air Jordans more or less from the start until a couple of years ago, all the releases. And I've been going for the OG colorways, the order they were released and so. And when, what is his name now? Dunks Are Nice. He showed a pair of Air Jordan 1 Metallic that was very rare, very hard to find. He has ever only seen 2 pairs, and they are not even listed on complex guide to colorways. And now when Air Jordan, or when Nike is promoting the new Air Jordan 1, they have made new shoes, and these are among them. They are, I think we can say that that is a hint that they are going to be released for us in the future, but they themselves don't have the original shoes, So they make them again to show off. And I think the shoes are cool. Matching laces, black laces, and on the shoes we have white laces and orange metallic. They do look cool. Look like gold, more or less. So they do look cool. And soft leather as usual when it comes to DeveloperBoring Studio. This sole has the right length, and this sole has DeveloperBoring on it. The other ones, the purple ones, said Nike. So these are the correct ones. We have the extra long ties band. What is it called? Yeah, never mind. That are not in a knot, the last part, tied up in the last part. So that is correct. This is the 85 experience. This is the 85 cut, 85 kind of material, look, color, everything that is correct with the tongue, and everything is really, really nice. They are absolutely better looking live than on pictures. Look like metallic, like metallic should look. Bronze, yeah. Bronze, metallic, copper. I wouldn't say gold, maybe rose gold, but they look good. And I actually do like that they already look sort of cracked, because that is one of the reasons why we don't know anything about these shoes, because they are not alive anymore. All the pairs that we have seen of the metallic, they look really bad because they crack and they lose the colors. And Nike themselves doesn't have them, and Nike themselves doesn't have any PR pictures or anything. We have so little information about these shoes because of Nike not teaching us. So the orange pack, well, that wasn't a pack, they called them 85 cut. They call them that they were released in 1985. And some people say that they were released in 1986. We don't know. And Nike have never retro these. So if you want them, you need to have them custom made for you. And DeveloperBoring Studio are absolutely the best ones for that. I do like them. Good looking shoe. They do look better with white laces, but I have decided to have matching laces on the metallic shoes because I have white Air Jordans. I have discreet Air Jordans, and these are not meant to be discreet. These are meant to be shown. So that is why I'm putting matching laces on them. So let me put the matching laces on these and show you the ones that I have. Oh, I can show you right away. So I don't know the order that they were released, but we have metallic burgundy, and these are not the metallic red. Metallic red was also released. We have the metallic blue, and these two are the only ones that Nike has released in men's sizes. We have the metallic green, really cool, from Boring Studio, and metallic purple, and now without the matching laces, and now metallic orange. They also released metallic black. I don't know if I'm going to care about them. Was there anything more? And then we have metallic UNC that were never released, and they are rumored to be only 25 pairs that we think are that was way before Friends and Family. So I think those 25 pairs are promotion pairs. So the metallic UNC was never released to the public. But I'm thinking, even though I don't have the space for it, I'm thinking to ask DeveloperBoring if they want to make me one pair of Air Jordan 1 metallic UNC. So these are the shoes that I have. And now I feel that it's maybe weird that I don't have the metallic black. Yeah, I should get them as well. Cool shoes. Metallic. I don't understand at all why Nike haven't done retros of them. Not at all. I think that was it for this video. In the end, I will show you what it looks like with matching laces, even though I don't have matching laces to the purple ones yet. Yeah, and people, subscribe. I have very few new subscribers, even though I have a couple of views on my videos. So subscribe. I think that helps. And like and thumbs up and whatever. Boring Studio, Developer Boring Studio, orange metallic. I like them much more live than I did on pictures. Much more. And this is how they look with the orange matching laces. And I absolutely do think that they looked better with white laces. But I've decided to do it like this. So these are now orange shoes. But with the white laces, they look more like gold shoes. So yeah, they look better with white laces, but I'm gonna keep it like this.